ER nurse here. This patient was convinced they broke their hand. Patient storms in screaming about multiple fractures because their knuckle cracked, demanding x-rays, orthopedic surgeons, the whole thing. Sir, you just popped your knuckle. That cracking sound? It's just gas bubbles in your joints. Totally normal. Real fractures come with severe pain, swelling, deformity, or you can't move it. Your knuckle making noise is not a medical emergency. Save yourself the copay and the embarrassment. Follow for more stories that could have been avoided with common sense.